Ever felt like you're married to a man who is only physically present, but emotionally absent? You talk with him, but nothing comes back. You share, but he shuts down. If your husband feels more like a roommate than a partner, this video is for you. Number 1. Stop taking it personally. Emotional unavailability isn't always about you. It can be rooted in your husband's childhood, trauma, or stress. Don't blame yourself. Instead, recognize that his walls existed long before you walked in. Number 2. Create safe emotional space. If you react with anger or judgment, your husband will only go further into his shell. Speak gently to him. Say things like, "I'm not here to fix you, I'm here to understand you." Sometimes emotional safety means no pressure, just presence. Number 3. Use questions, not accusations. Instead of asking your husband, "Why don't you care?" ask, "Can you help me understand what you're feeling?" Curiosity opens doors to understanding interactions between you, while your accusations slam them shut. Number 4. Show him what emotional connection looks like. Model what you desire. Be emotionally expressive, but don't overdo it. Let your husband see what vulnerability and healthy emotional sharing look like, consistently and calmly. Number 5. Set boundaries with love. You do not have to tolerate stonewalling forever. Let your husband know how his emotional unavailability is affecting your relationship, and set kind but firm boundaries. Emotional unavailability should not become emotional neglect. Number 6. Consider therapy. For you or both. Sometimes couples therapy helps. Sometimes individual therapy empowers you to cope better. Therapy isn't just for fixing, it's for growing. And maybe your emotional growth will spark his. Marriage isn't about walking alone beside each other. It's about walking together. If you're feeling stuck with an emotionally distant partner, don't suffer in silence. Drop A in the comments if you relate. And subscribe to Marriage Realities for more relationship wisdom that actually helps.